Hello guys, so today we're gonna be here with Bacon Man again. So he invited me again. He invited me again to this game. Look at him. There he is. If you won't quit, stop doing that. It's been 2 days. They almost hit me. Bro, stop. Yeah, that's him. You ready? Yeah. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, there's something wrong with my computer. That's the cat stuff. So beautiful. That was beautiful. All right, let's see what you got, man. Okay. Hold on. Are you ready? Woo! Thank you. Dude. There he is, putting his fireworks together. Let's see what he got. Did he forget that thing? Yeah, I think he forgot that thing. Hey! Don't stop! Okay, I'll stop. I forgot that thing where it does the fireworks. Wait. This? Yeah. That. So I will be right back. Alright, go get it. Alright. Wait. Oh. I think I can get it from here. Wait. No, wait. Just go to the shop. Alright. He went. Alright, let's wait for him. So how are you guys today? Good? Awesome. Hope you have a great summer. Yeah, he's having a great summer. Wait, what do you mean? Yeah, make sure you guys have a great summer and like and subscribe. Please. Oh, I think he's coming. Yep, that's him. Bro, are you serious? Alright, let's see what he got, man. He's linking it. Perfect. Linking. Bro, why is he taking so long? Ready? Okay. Alright, here it goes. Oh my god. Let's add some more. Woo! That's big. Oh my gosh. Wait, can we do the big ones? Nah, let's save them for the finale. Let's get this baby started. Wait! That's why I can't press it, because I don't have more fireworks. Oh gosh. Bigger man, can you go to shop with me? Hey, why? Because I don't think I have too much fireworks now. Seriously? How much fireworks? Oh, me too. Me too sometime. Alright, let's go to the store. Alright. What do we have here? Alright. I got it. No! Okay, what am I doing? I'm gonna equip this. Alright, got it. Alright, bigger man, let's go. Alright. Follow me. I said follow me. Let's do this. Yeah, let's do this. You ready? What is this new one? Let's see. See what we got. I'll put some with you. Oh, thank you, brother. You're welcome, brother. I can do anything. That was awesome. What's fireworks going on over there? Yeah, I was going close to look at them. Whose is that? Where are they? So cool. Right? Isn't that right? Wait, they're doing some over there. Wait, they're doing some over there. Yeah? I need backup first. What's wrong with my computer? Woo! Guys, what are you doing? I know this is going to be a short video. But we're doing the grand finale. Let's do this, bro. Got you. Now, come on, Bacon Man. What the? I didn't do this one? Wait, is this yours? Mine? Of course I forgot it. What is wrong? Let's see what you got, bro. This is nice. I'm done. Link it. You got so many fireworks here. Thank you. You're nice today. You think I'm not nice every time? Oh, yeah, I forgot. Alright. Why is my computer glitching? Guys, there's something wrong with my computer. Like every time I touch things, it doesn't press. I don't understand. What is going on? Slow down! No, it's my computer! You're crazy. Press it! I can't press it. I can't press the... Forget it. Let's link it. But you gotta be kidding me. Link it! Oh my gosh. What is wrong? What is wrong with this computer? Why is it glitching like that? I resetted it and it's... You three. You're going. You're going. For sure. Alright, Big Man. Are you ready? Oh, hold on. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. Go! Back up, go, 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 go! Go, 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 go! Oh! Oh! I forgot these. Wait. Oh yeah, I forgot them. Oh my god! Wait, there's something going on over there. Woo! Yeah! Where's Big Man? Where's he? Big Man! Bro, you're right there. Let's put in the background. Alright, guys. This is nice to have a fireworks show. Thank you guys so much for watching. Yes, of course. And I hope you guys have a great summer. Goodbye, guys.